excited because pumpkin spice lattes are back. However, I do not order pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks because they're not that healthy for you. There's about 52 grams of carbs in each latte, and I'm sorry, I would rather eat those calories. So instead, I have a little pumpkin latte hack that I do every year to save some calories and also save a little bit of money because Starbucks drinks are expensive. So, here is my little Starbucks. This is definitely gonna make my afternoon. So, how to order. Grande iced coffee, no plastic syrup. 1 pump of pumpkin sauce, which is about 8 grams of carbs. 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla, light almond milk, like a splash of almond milk, and then the pumpkin topping, which is just nutmeg and cinnamon. And it is so good. This altogether has about 12 to 14 grams of carbs, depending on like the pour of the almond milk and the pump, but this is a lot better than 52 grams of carbs. So good. Fall is upon us. Cheers.